Connecting the flow switch to the wires that are going to connect up to the RF controller. And we'll screw the cap back down. Right now Steve is wiring the flow sensor into the diesel control unit. Each time the pump turns on, that paddle will flip as the water flows and send us an indication of the flow status. Okay, we've wired this thing up. Engine has started, and Steve is just checking to make sure our connections are good. Now we engage the clutch and water is flowing, and we're checking the flow sensor.